Hi everyone. Today I will demonstrate how we can do performance profiling for ForkJab code using fork tunnels. So before demonstrate, I will go through quickly on what is the function that what is the app code that I want to do the performance profiling. So basically, it's when it receive a request, it will lock the request and do some simple operation on X and Y, and then it will call the Fibo recursive function. This one implement Fibonacci with recursive for demo purpose. And next one is will call the create random string array function, which create an array of 10,000 elements, and each element is actually a string of a handler object, but actually it's a grabber. It will keep the input string, where the input string is will be has the length 100. Okay, so this is the function to loop through, generate the string and put in the arrays, and then this is the one to generate the random string. Okay. Yep. So first, we need to run the fork tunnel command to do the performance profiling via tunnel. First, we need to run the fork tunnel command with the debug options. Yeah, and we need to specify what is the function handler. In this case, I specify its index handler, which define the manifest. Yeah. Yes, this is that one. And then, and you can see it say debugger listening on port 9229. So the next step is that we can use VS Code define a new configuration with the port is 9229 and the type is not. So the port must match in with the port value that we are using in the fork tunnel command. And then next step is that we can click this, and then we can attach the yeah. So you can see the output here say debug attach. Yeah. Next step, we can trigger refresh the page to trigger the invocation. Yeah. Okay. Let me check again so that they will stop at the first line of the code so that we can do debug. Yeah, from here we can do some debugging step by step, so we can see the value X and Y, right? Yeah, I will let it run, and then I will do the performance profiling again, right? Yeah. Yeah. Now from here at the construct, you can see there's a button contact performance profiling. If you click, there's a few options. The first one I will create, I will select CPU profile, and then I will let it run until the next breakpoint, which is return hello world. Okay. Yeah. And then the next one is we also can do another heap snapshot. We can take the heap snapshot. Yeah. So and you can see there are two output in the same folders. And first, let's look at the CPU profiling. And we can see that the Fibo recursive is at the top. It takes 241 milliseconds. At the bottom, we also can see other functions like create random string array take around 60 milliseconds, and generate random string take 11 milliseconds. So this is very helpful for us to identify where the performance bottleneck. The next one is we can look at how is the heap snapshot, and you can see the second top with the string handler. So there's a lot of string handler object that we create in the program, and its retain size is 28 megabytes. Yeah. So so I have demonstrated you how we can use VS Code to do the performance profiling, including CPU and heap snapshot. Feel free to look at the VS Code documentation so that you can do more advanced performance profiling. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.